Hello. So this is cloud-based WhatsApp marketing software. This is my link for registration. First, you can come on ws.4tp.in, then create your profile. After create your profile, give us username so we activate your plan. First step, here you can see add account option. Click on plus icon. You can see here QR code. Scan from your web WhatsApp. After scan your QR code, again click on WhatsApp. Then just come here in contact menu. The last option is contact. Click on that. Click on the plus icon. Here give a name. Click on submit. Then here three lines. Click on three lines. Import. You can upload by file. Here already giving example. You can download the sample format. According that save your numbers. Then upload the same file. Or you can just copy and paste your number with your country code. So for trial already I added here one numbers in this sheet, other one sheet. Here three contact. After added here showing valid heading. In valid it will valid like non WhatsApp and WhatsApp number. We can export our old number here for next marketing or for next purpose. Second step this one. Third step, come here and if you have list menu means multiple options like buttons. Okay, you want to give select any product or anyone to your customer, so you can make here your multiple sessions. For example, I give a name new product, then menu is select one software like this. If I have any description I can give here. In footer I can type like this. Button I want to give, I can give my website button only or other button. Click on add session. Here give select what they want. Like I have five software, I want to give select one. I can type like desktop version, add new, official WhatsApp, and description regarding that like pricing and everything. Cloud based like this. If we have multiple product and we want to give all information in single message, we can make here type list. So you can create your multiple template first. The second option is poll messages. You want to collect like yes no answer, so you can make here poll. Click plus icon, give a name, new list, anything name you can give. They can choose multiple options or single option, that you can decide here. Then give a description about this poll. Select one. Then scroll down. Here, add buttons. Which poll? Interested, add new, not interested, like that. And if someone press interested, then only you can see how many person press interested, how many person press not interested. Okay, the user cannot see their each other answer, so only you can see. So this is poll message. Then we can come here in bulk messaging. Here bulk messaging option, we can see here history, and here click on new campaign, plus icon right side, new campaign. We choose our profile, from which number now you want to send message. Choose your number. You can link here multiple number, 5 number, 10 number, 20 number. Give a campaign name. Then select contact group, which we already made there. Select that one. Now here it's simple message like message and media. Then choose one option. Upload your image, video or PDF. Type your message, or choose your list menu, which here showing the how many list we have there. Okay. And if you want to use poll, then select poll. So now we test you with list menu. I choose like new product list. Then we select how many second delay it should take. So I use 5 to 6 seconds. You can schedule for future, but for test purpose we schedule right now. Then click on schedule button. It started. So this is the simple way you can do marketing like this. We have multiple option here other, like message history. Here we can check our whole history this time. When we sent, okay, what type of content we did, everything you can see here. Message type, timing, everything. You can set your autoresponder. If someone reply me, then for particular number I want to apply reply, or for all contact. Like if customer say any message on that number, I can save here my answer. And then here is send single message. Single message means you want to test first, like how your template delivering. Before start bulk campaign, you can send a single test message also. Okay. For now, use these all the feature. If you have any query, you just can contact us. We can do a live demo on Google Meet or any desk. Thank you.